Learn how to run a disk check in Windows 10 using the command prompt with our easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Checking your disk for errors and bad sectors is crucial for maintaining a healthy computer. In this tutorial, we will show you the exact commands and procedures to do this effectively. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a beginner, this video will help you ensure the integrity of your data and system. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. To run a disk check in Windows 10 using the command prompt, Step 1. Open the command prompt as an administrator, search CMD in the start menu, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Step 2. Type these written words and press enter, placing C with the drive letter you want to check. Step 3. You will be asked if you want to schedule the check for the next restart. Type Y and press enter. Step 4. Restart your computer and Windows will check and repair the disk during the boot process.